Hi guys, we're going to work on this one called Triangle Diamonds. Looks like Mimi has done one. I've never tried it before. Looks interesting. I think I'm just going to do one. Oops, it's thinking. Sorry. This particular phone has a tough time reaching my Wi-Fi from out here, and yes, we already have a repeater. It's just the inside of this studio shed is well insulated with like foil insulation, and it just blocks all the signal. So I forgot to go over by the door and get it preloaded. Anyways, isn't that pretty? The sample with all those colors. That's just stunning. But I'm just going to do one and just play with it. So first thing we're going to do is draw a triangle. And the second thing we're going to do is equidistant from the edge of the triangle, we're going to draw another, like an aura on all three sides. Like that. You see, I got a bad glare. Trying not to have the glare. Okay, and then on this long bit here, we're going to divide that about in half. Oh good, my husband's home. Going from the middle point on this long side to the corner here, like that. And then we're going to do that again, going the other way. So from the midpoint here into the corners, going that way. And then divide this little bit at on these corners in half like that. And that's what we're aiming to end up with, this sort of triangular gem shape. And let's just give it a go. I think it would look really pretty. I don't have any black paper, but I think it would be really pretty on black paper with white pen. But we're going to do it on brown. I really want a fairly straight line, so I'm actually going to draw my triangle in with a ruler. How big do I want my triangle? Do I have room for that? I think so. Okay, so 2 inches. One inch, 2 inches. Yeah, I'm going to make it a 2-inch triangle going right there. And I'm going to do that. Am I close? Oh, I'm pretty darn close. Pretty darn close to an equilateral triangle. I don't know how I managed that, but close enough for me. That. And this. And of course the neighbor dogs have to all go freaky out because my husband opened our garage. Darn dogs. I thought maybe since today is a holiday, I'm drawing this on Labor Day? Holiday weekend, that the neighbors would be home and their dogs would be in the house, but apparently they are not home. So they're just out yapping. Alright, so from about the middle of those edges, right? And into the corners. So it doesn't really matter where we start. Go from there to there. There to there. Middle to the edges. And then the other way. Middle to the edges. And then that one divided in half this way. And then we're done. That's pretty simple. So let's give a little bit of, not too sure how to shade or color. This. Let's use a little bit of color. Got my new polychromos open, so let's do a bit of green. Green is not a typical diamond color, but I'm just feeling it. I'm just kind of, I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. Don't follow me. Do whatever you want to do. I'm just playing. Just playing with color. I got these beautiful pencils and I'm just gonna enjoy them. I seem to have no rhyme or reason to where I'm putting these colors. I'm just playing with instinct. I could be going horribly wrong, or it could come out fantastic. I don't really know. I'm just playing. Mm-hmm. What am I doing? I don't know. That's a pretty color. I have not used this color yet. Light ultramarine. That's a really pretty color. I just want some of each color in every facet, or make sure that it's at least all on the sides, all the different colors. I think maybe I'm going to come back in with a white and just like blend them all together. Let's see what happens. That's different. I'm not 100% sure I like it, but use the white to blend and create maybe a cohesive like sparkle, because usually a diamond would have, you would have a lot of reflected light. So I'm like assuming it was on a very colorful green, blue, purple background or something. There's a lot of those colors around it, which is why you see them all reflected in there. But then the white really is the reflection of all the light on that diamond. We'll see what that does. I am super hot. I'm glad my husband's home from his bike ride. Now I don't have to worry about him out there in the heat. I was starting to get concerned with the flashes of lightning. You really don't want to be out there in lightning. Like that. Maybe with my white gel pen, I will just add some really bright, sparkly bits. Like some super shine. How's that? Good enough? I think maybe so. These need to be more. Like that. Very bright and sparkly. Good enough. Diamond, triangle diamond. All right, there we go. One triangle diamond, sparkling with the sun. I think I am done for the day. It is getting too hot for me to be out here. You guys have a great day. I will do some more drawing, not tomorrow, Wednesday. Wednesday morning I have time. So I will be back on Wednesday morning. I don't know what day of the week this one's going up. I think this was a Friday video. So I'll see you on the Monday video that I will draw on Wednesday. It's very confusing. You guys figure it out. I can hardly figure it out. You guys can't figure it out. Just, I will see you on whatever video comes next. Have no idea what that's going to be. You guys have a great day. I will see you later. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Put a little sparkle in somebody's life. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.